taking this LA Colors Wanderer gel color craze. I got this on clearance at Walmart. You will see my clearance and Dollar Tree shopping haul coming soon. Anyway, I'm taking this. It's a really pretty nude color, but it does have like a little bit of iridescence in it. And I'm also going to be doing 2 glitter accent nails in my Studio MPro. It's like a champagne glitter. It didn't have a name on it, but it's really, really pretty, and I thought it would be really nice with this nude. I had been doing like blue nails and stuff like that, so I was in the mood for just a pretty nude. Here I already sponged on some of the glitter to my thumb, and I'm going to show you how I did that. I just take this polish here. It doesn't have a name on it, but it's from Studio MPro from Meyer Stores. And I take this makeup sponge from the Dollar Tree, and I just go ahead and paint that on the sponge. Now this color does have kind of a dark undertone, so you probably could also just paint this directly on your nails, but I wanted the glitter to be a little bit more, a little bit easier to see, so I went ahead and sponged it. And I have the peel up polish around my cuticles just to make for easier cleanup. And now I'm going in with a second coat of the LA Colors Wanderer. And now going in with a second coat of the sponged glitter. I just love this glitter. It's such a pretty color. So now I'm taking my cuticle pusher and I'm going to gently remove that Peel Up water-based kids polish, and this makes it so much easier to get that glitter off your skin. I've said it in my previous videos, I just haven't gotten any of the liquid latex or cuticle guard yet, so I'm still using this and it's working. So if you have some of this lying around, this will do the trick. I know my cuticles are looking really dry in this video, and that's because they were really dry. I had to use some acetone to remove the prior glitter on my nails. So, but don't worry, I will go in at the end with some cuticle oil to get these cuticles looking back right. Take my acetone and go in on a few areas of my nails that flooded the cuticles a bit. Take my cleanup brush here and get that polish off. Now I'm going to take my Sinful Colors Quick Dry and top off the polish. I hope everyone has enjoyed this video. I hope you've also considered subscribing to my channel. I do all kinds of videos, and welcome your suggestions for any content that you'd like to see. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video.